Bongabon Baler Road is located in eastern Luzon, connecting Nueva Ecija and Aurora provinces, traversing mountains of Sierra Madre, known to SOCOM riders as Bongabon Academy. But before traversing the route, make sure you have enough gasoline for the 80 kilometers twisty. Thus, if you are a rider and wanted to hone your skills in maneuvering countless curves, this is the right road because of less or no traffic at all. Before reaching Aurora Arc or the province border, if you are coming from Nueva Ecija, you will pass by the known Labi Bridge, wherein you can dip yourself in cold river water. The place is like a river resort. Marami din mga karinderya where you can have your meal. You will also pass by the Maria Aurora marker. It's where Maria Aurora and company were ambushed and killed while on her way for a humanitarian program. This was way back 1949. Maria Aurora Aragon Quezon was the wife of Commonwealth President Emmanuel Quezon. Because of Maria Aurora's contribution to the country, para sa mga mahihirap at kapos-palad nating kababayan, and to honor her, the province was named after her and become a sub-province of Quezon. 2 years after her death, finally become an independent province as proclaimed by President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. in 1978. Also don't forget to stop and make memories, in Maria Aurora Memorial View Deck, in the perfect 180 degrees turn. Aside from the countless twisties, Aurora Province is also a perfect destination for the riders and tourists dahil sa nagagandahang beaches, from Baler, also known for surfing, up to Dipakulaw, Dinadjawan and Kasiguran for the white sand beaches. On your way to Kasiguran, you can also pass by the Bulawan Falls, the hidden gem of Aurora, and finally settle your day in Kasapsapan Beaches or in Tidal Pool, at La Paraiso or Pacific Sunrise, for adventure. The province coastal line is facing Pacific Ocean. It has also an history that the place was hit by tsunami in 1735. The locals of Baler took refuge in Ermita Hills. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and together let's explore Philippines.